Okay, you guys, how much do we love the best of the best of the best of the classic cars? You're in for a big surprise, you guys. Yes, you are. This is no ordinary 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. No, this is a Nomad. Look at that. Oh yes, we are going for a ride in one of the ultimate classics of all time. This is a Corvette wagon, a Corvette show car wagon that had a baby with a Bel Air. This car is more like art than a car. This is modern art. Look at the simplicity of that spectacular, spellbinding, and hypnotizing space-age style. You know, the 1955 Bel Air Nomad is a masterpiece of the absolute highest order. Look at, first of all, there it says it right there. That's it, Bel Air. There's the little bow tie right there. Yes. No, look at that rear. How much do you love it? Right there it says it. Nomad for your pleasure. And look at the tailgate. Look at all those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ribs. You are not dreaming. This car has wraparound glass. This is a glass party. Rare as the day that you're ever gonna see wraparound glass like that. And look at that B pillar, the shape of that right there. And the divinity of the way that roofline goes whoosh into it, I know. And of course, there's the sweeping side spear coming around to that gorgeous, glorious front end, that classic 55 Chevrolet front end. Look at those headlights right there. Big and bold to light your way. And that amazing shape of that turn signal light right there. That grille, and there it says it right there in sign language for us. Yep, the bow tie. Look how beautiful that is. And then this. I know you like to go fast. Who doesn't? But look at that. That jet hood ornament right on the front of this car. Bel Air's going places. You're going places if you're driving one of these. It's just too much to realize that this is thought to be the finest, as I said, the finest unrestored example on the planet. Look at that door panel. This is the original door panel. Where do we begin? First of all, the greatest vinyl pattern ever. And look at that. Don't you love that little trim down there? Look at the little detail right there. And oh, this dash. I love the instrument cluster. A million, can you see there's a million little bow ties there? Look at that. All those bow ties. That radio, and a gentle reminder right over there, the Bel Air Nomad with a clock. And I love look at all this glass. I mean, in 1955, this was a miracle, not to mention those chrome bows. I know. And of course, a little courtesy light to light your way.
So, the car came from the original owner, and he worked at Pepsi in 1955. And in 1955, he was collecting antique Pepsi stuff from the turn of the century. He was a collector. He collected cars, motorcycles, bicycles, all kinds of great stuff. So he bought this car brand new for his wife as a grocery getter. And she drove it for 20 years, from 1955 till about 74. And in 74, it had 87,000 miles on it. And he put it in the garage, put it up on blocks, and covered it because he knew it was a special car, and he didn't want to sell it. But it had started to get old, and his wife, he was afraid she was going to crash it or something was going to happen. So he put it on blocks, and for 40 years, it sat in a Quonset hut, covered on blocks. And the son would go out and start it every couple of months. And when it stopped starting after 40 years, he sold it.
The style of this car, I mean, the purity, the divinity, the delightfulness, the happiness. It's such a happy car. And look at this original interior, you guys. Look at that. Look at that waffle pattern. How much do you love waffle patterns? It's like waffle stompers before there were waffle stompers. I know. And the rear cargo area back there where you could sit if you wanted to. Color! How much do we love the color? What color is it again?
Regal turquoise and India ivory.
Radio. And oh, the glove box. Can we look in it?
Absolutely.
Oh, look. Oh, and what's in there? I'll be darned. Behold the glory. Oh, look at the artwork on that, you guys. How much do we love classic graphics? I know. And even the light in there works. Oh, wow. This is just all too much to take. It's one thing to find a classic car, you guys, but when you find one that is a low mileage, unrestored original, that is when you found a real treasure. There's nothing like an original. And when you find an original Nomad, a thoroughbred among thoroughbreds, a classic among classics, a masterpiece amongst masterpieces, you have more than a world-class national treasure. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this 1955 Nomad by Chevrolet is more than a classic car. More than a masterpiece among masterpieces. This 1955 Chevrolet Nomad is a world-class national treasure of the absolute highest order. Behold the glory of this great American icon. Oh, I know. I just want to say thank you, Justin, for sharing your 1955 Bel Air Nomad.
It was a pleasure.
Joyride has been brought to you by Holiday Jubilee and Addicted to Americana. Colorful coffee table books make great gifts. Order your signed copies now at charlesphoenix.com. We ship worldwide.